Today I don't feel like doing anything. I just wanna lay in my bed. Don't feel like picking up my phone, so leave a message at the tone. 'Cause today I swear I'm not doing anything. I'm gonna kick my feet up, then stare at the face.
Good morning, Wilson. I'm Caden.
And I'm Kira, and today is Friday, January 13th, 2023.
It's a little creepy that today is Friday the 13th. This day has a history of being considered bad luck. Hopefully, our PBIS event makes it positive for many.
Yes, today is our PBIS station event. After these announcements at about 8:25 today, you will be released to go to your first station. We are going to cue now the charts in the YouTube video for each house so you know where you need to go.
If you are in the 8th grade Gold House, here are the groups that will be happening in what location. So in room 112, there'll be the Minute to Win It. In the Blue House, if you look here, here are the groups that will happen for the Blue House and the locations for each of those games or activities. Here's the Pink House and the locations for games or activities. Here's the Gray House and the location of games and activities. Here's the greenhouse and the location of games and activities. And last but not least, here is the red house for location of games and activities. All right, each group is going to be placed alphabetically by house. So group 1, I listed the last name of a student. In that range, if your last name falls in that range, you will follow each other as a group. And you will go from A to B to C to D when we switch. Group 2, here's the last names of 8th graders. If you fall in that gap, you will be together, and you will follow B, C, D, and E. Group 3, these are the last names that are posted, and you will follow C, D, E, A. Group 4, if you fall in this last name, it will be D, E, A, B. And group 5, you will follow E, A, B, C. Any non-qualifiers, so students who did not qualify for this and did not use their points to buy in. So if you didn't qualify, you could have bought into the event. You're going to report to room 41 to work with Mr. Loya. Please bring your Chromebook, any missing work you'd like to work on during this time. For the Gold House today, what will happen, group 1, your last names are listed here if you fall in this order, and you will go from group A, B, C, D. Group 2, the last names are listed here for the Gold House, and on Friday you will go in the order of B, C, D, E. Group 3, the last names are listed here, and you will go in the order of C, D, E, A. Group 4, the last names are listed here, and you will go D, E, A, B. Group 5, the last names are listed here, and you will follow E, A, B, C. What I recommend is that you write these down. If you didn't qualify for this PBIS event and you didn't use your 20 points to buy in, you're going to be with me, Mrs. Purdue, in room 43. You can bring your Chromebook and any work you'd like to work on during this time to that location. Okay, the Pink House, how your orders will go, just like the other houses. The last names are listed here. If your last name falls between this range, you're going to follow the group A, B, C, D. Group 2, your last names will fall in this order, and you will do B, C, D, E. Group 3, if your last names fall between this range, you will follow C, D, E, A. Group 4, if your last names fall between this range, you will follow D, E, A, B. Group 5, if your last names fall between this range, you will follow group in order E, A, B, C. Non-qualifiers, unfortunately, if you didn't qualify and you didn't have enough warrior points to buy in, you will report to room 53 with Mr. Green. And you will bring your Chromebook and any work you'd like to work on during this time. All right, gray house. So like we've been saying, the groups are listed alphabetically, and you're going to follow this order. So you'll rotate between the different activities, A, B, C, D for group 1. Group 2, last names are listed. You're going to go in this order, B, C, D, E. Group 3, last names are listed on the screen. You're going to follow C, D, E, A. Group 4, last names are listed on the screen. You're going to follow D, E, A, B. Group 5, last names are listed on the screen, and you are going to follow E, A, B, C. If you're a non-qualifier, you probably had suspensions either in school or out of school, and then you chose not to buy into the event. You are going to report to room 31 with Mrs. Asher. You're going to bring your Chromebook and any work you'd like to work on during this time if you are in the gray house. All right, red house. So same procedure goes. Each alphabetically, we group the students by alphabet. So the group 1, you're grouped in this range. You're going to follow the schedule of A, B, C, D. Group 2, you're going to follow the schedule of B, C, D, E. Group 3, you are going to be following the schedule of C, D, E, A. Group 4, you are going to follow the schedule of D, E, A, B. Group 5, you are going to follow the schedule of E, A, B, C. Please write this down. That will help you to know where you're going next. All right, our red house non-qualifiers, you are going to report to room 37 with Miss Lobb. You're going to bring your Chromebook and any work you'd like to work on during this time. Green house, so those who have qualified, your last name falls between this range. You are going to follow this order, A, B, C, D. Group 2, if your last names fall between this range, you are going to follow this order, B, C, D, E. Group 3, if your last names fall between this range, you are going to follow C, D, E, A. Group 4, if your last names fall between this range, you're going to follow D, E, A, B. And group 5, if your last names fall between this range, you are going to follow E, A, B, C. My non-qualifiers for the greenhouse, you're going to report to the LRC with Mr. Greenlee. You're going to bring your Chromebook and any work you'd like to work on during this time.
Your teacher in first hour can help. All they need to do is make sure all students know where the first place they're going today.
If you do not qualify and you do not buy in for the event, you must report to the room you have been assigned. Bring your Chromebook, missing work, and folders or supplies.
Do not let not qualifying let you down. Instead, change your ways and improve. You have half of the school year left.
And an upcoming winter dance you could qualify to attend.
Teachers, Ms. Shammy has sent several emails and packets were placed in everyone's mailbox for the event.
Hopefully, everyone feels a little less confused and ready for fun from 8:30 until the end of third hour today.
On Friday, January 20th, we're having half a day. All students will be taking the NWEA in reading. Make sure to eat a good breakfast and bring your charged Chromebook.
Go ahead and eat a good breakfast and bring your Chromebook all of next week to prepare for the NWEA assessment in math. You will be taking it in math class next week.
It might feel odd wearing a Christmas sweater today, but it's PJ an ugly Christmas sweater today. There will be a special contest in the afternoon, hosted by Miss McCooch. Make sure to listen to the PA.
Today's lunch is on the screen now. Pretty much a fun day in the morning, then lunchtime.
There's a special video on YouTube for any fourth hour teachers who would like to show this today during fourth hour. It's all the holiday segments we never got to air.
Happy birthday to Angelina and Mackenzie.
Georgia and Ruben have been sharing with us role models here at Wilson. Students were honored as Students of the Month. Let's cue to that now.
What is some advice you have to students here at Wilson?
Just be on top of your grades, and you should be kind to others.
Why do you think you made Student of the Month?
Because I'm very kind to others, and I'm also on top of my grades. Yeah.
Congratulations, Riley, for making Student of the Month.
Thank
Why
you.
do you think you made Student of the Month?
I think I made Student of the Month because I used my class time wisely and was kind to everyone around me.
What is some advice you have to students here at Wilson?
To do all your work and be respectful to other students and
Congratulations,
teachers.
Royce, for making Student of the Month.
Thank you.
Don't forget that we don't have school on Monday in honor of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr.
In club news, Fitness Club meets after school until 4 p.m. in the Commons.
In sports news, 8th grade girls basketball tryouts meet at 2:50 till 4:15 p.m. 7th grade tryouts meet at 4:15 till 5:45 p.m.
Also in sports news, let's cue to Mr. Deslana now to learn more about the staff versus student hockey game coming up.
Hey Wilson, Mr. Santa coming at you about the favorite day of the year on February 10th at 7:30 at the Yak Arena. That's downtown Wyandotte. $3 to get in. It is a student versus staff hockey game. Okay, we got these two dusters on the side of me right here that'll be participating, along with Danglin DeSanta. We got Drip-tastic DeSuit that's going to bring his A game out, and we have Ringer Rose that's just going to shine like no other. All right, so we have a couple guys that want to have something to say. I don't know. That's a pretty good roster we got out there right now.
I say we got a better roster. We got Owen Mal. We got all these guys. We got Ethan. We got Zay. We got all these guys, all these youngins, and we ready.
All right.
What do you guys say?
Yeah, we ready. I heard they got flaming tape. They ain't going to be hot enough to cool us down. So we'll see you there at 7:30 at the Yak Arena on February 10th for $3.
On Saturday, competitive cheer meets at Stony Creek. Bus time is at 7 a.m.
That's all for today. Wilson, have a fun day.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.